Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a short, well, not so short, but this will be a very sweet color spotlight of the chocolate cream root color on the Nova SF wig by Belle Madame. Let you guys know, because apparently this is something not everybody's aware of, that because I'm located in the United States of America, I cannot sell Belle Madame wigs directly from my website. Instead, I have to white label them, and I also pay more for the products. And literally none of the Belle Madame wigs I've ever shown on this channel have ever been provided for free, including this one. I had to pay for this. So just so you know, the money you spend in my store goes towards stuff like this, as well as the Patreon contributions. So thank you for helping us with that. But just in case you're not aware, these wigs cannot be marketed directly online in the United States. So we have to call them Euroline. We have to white label them in order to sell them. It's very expensive because I have to take all my own images, I have to use all my own color swatches and all of my own ad copy. And then of course, once I drum up interest in the product, two other issues then occur. One, when people go to my website, they're like, where's Belle Madame? Well, I can't call it that. So I drum up interest for it, and then people bounce because they don't realize that we have to call it something else. We call it Euroline. So that's what it is on our website. The other thing that they may not realize is that, yeah, we have to charge a higher price. We're not doing it on purpose. We're paying more for the products wholesale, but you're supporting an American business, and the more American businesses actually get involved with selling these products, the more variety you can actually have, the more competition is going to force people to change their behavior in this marketplace, just like we've been a disruptive agent, as in CysterWigs, the store, in this entire industry. And a lot of other stores have changed their behavior, changed their social media strategies, and changed, how aggressively they network with other influencers and whatnot based on what we're doing here on CysterWigs and CysterWigs 2. So it's a pretty big deal. Now, they cannot advertise directly, so like Continental Wigs can't run Google ads for Belle Madame wigs here in the United States, but what they do instead is they contract influencers and they send them a freebie and then they review those things. Obviously they're not going to send me a freebie because I'm competing with them and I'm selling these things too. Right? So I get that. But just know that they're exploiting a loophole in the territorial agreements of the contract where they have to go through third parties, i.e. influencers, in order to sell these products. And yes, that behavior does push American small business owners out of this space, because all of the things I just described about how we're at a disadvantage when we try to sell these things apply to every United States-based store that would want to carry these products. So if you've ever wondered why other wig stores based out of the United States aren't, tripping all over themselves to carry these products, and why it seems like so very few people review them, why it's just the same handful of people over and over again, those two things are related. And they're related to the stuff I just described. And now I'm going to get to the rest of this. I told you this one wasn't going to be super short. So this color is chocolate cream root. On the Belle Madame website, they call this a blonde. I don't. Do you? I mean, if you look at the color code, this is literally a light ash brown root with a light ash brown base that has caramel brown and a little bit of gold blonde blended all together. It's a beautiful color. The front hairline is a little darker, so it is not the lighter color exclusively at the front, so it will look like natural regrowth. This color looks really beautiful on Nova. Beautiful color though, and I'm shooting this in the studio that is like, okay, it's not really a studio, it's like a makeshift studio that is in the room above my garage in my home, but I've got the lighting set up in here so that way you're getting a really true representation of the color. So this is how it will look when it arrives. It'll be kind of warm, even though it's got some ash brown in it. The overall appearance of this color, because of the incorporation of that light caramel brown, is gonna be pretty warm. It's a really pretty color though. So there you go, that's chocolate cream root from Belle Madame, which we call our Euroline at CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. It's a store I founded to help other women who have androgenic alopecia as a result of polycystic ovary syndrome. It's the same condition I've got. I've been fighting with my weight and my acne and my hirsutism and my hair loss ever since I was a teenager. So I wanted to make sure I was looking out for other women coming up behind me so they didn't have to go through all the same kind of struggles that I did, at least if I could help it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share with a friend, particularly if you think they might find any of the content in this video of interest. And I look forward to talking to you again next time. Bye, and thanks for watching.